Your head?
No.
No. Your ear?
No.
Your
nose.
Yes, Amy. Good job, Andrea. A nose.
A nose.
And these are your toes. Good, your toes. And if you were a squirrel, you'd have a tail. And is it a thin tail or a bushy tail?
A bushy tail.
Good, it's a bushy tail. And you like to eat nuts. Acorns, yeah. And acorns are nuts.
Nuts.
Okay, nuts. Nuts. So we're going to sing a little song about a family of squirrels. Okay? And they like to swoosh their bushy tails. Okay, so show me how you swish your tail. Swish your bushy tail.
Swish your bushy tail.
Good, okay. And they like to hold nuts. Hold nuts between their toes. Look, just like this. No. Woo, if you could see that. Hold nuts between their toes. Okay, so hold a nut between your toes.
Hold a nut between your toes.
Okay, try, guys, try. Hold a nut between your toes. Great, good job. Okay, wrinkle up your little nose.
Up your little nose.
Wrinkle up your little nose.
Wrinkle up your little nose.
I think I'm wrinkling up my mouth more than my nose. Don't know how they do that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
And we're going to start out with gray squirrel. Gray squirrel. Okay, what do you think? Is gray squirrel the mommy, the daddy, the brother, the sister?
Brother?
Brother, yeah,
Yes.
your brother.
Brother.
Yeah, looks kind of like a brother to me. Yeah, great. Okay, so ready? This is gray squirrel. Okay. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Hold a nut between your toes.
Hold a nut between your toes.
Wrinkle up your little nose.
Wrinkle up your little nose.
Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Good. What's the next family member?
Brother.
Baby. Yes, Andrea. Baby. Look at this little baby squirrel. So cute. Oh, little baby squirrel. There we go. Okay, ready? And he has a
Bushy tail.
Okay, so yes. Baby squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Baby squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Hold a nut between your toes. Wrinkle up your little nose. Baby squirrel, swish your bushy tails. What's the next person you think?
Brother. Baby. Sister. Mommy.
Mommy, good job, baby. Mommy. Look at our nice mommy here. Oh, hello, mommy. She's good looking. Okay, here we go. Ready? Mommy squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Mommy squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Hold a nut between your toes. Wrinkle up your little nose. Mommy squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Good. Who's next? Daddy. Good job, both of you. Good. Daddy squirrel. Whoops. Daddy squirrel. Excellent. Ooh, is that Daddy squirrel?
Oh,
No. Is that Daddy squirrel?
Oh, yes.
Okay, great. Daddy squirrel. So, ready? Daddy squirrel. Wait, maybe we could do it with like a deeper voice. Like, Daddy squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Daddy squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Hold a nut between your toes. Wrinkle up your little nose. Daddy squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Great. After Daddy squirrel, we have grandma. Good. Grandma squirrel. Here we go. Look, she's also good looking too. A pair of glasses and some pearls. Okay, ready? and wake up my grandma like this. But with a high voice, she's like a woman. Grandma squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Grandma squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Hold a nut between your toes, wrinkle up your little nose. Grandma squirrel, swish your bushy tail. I can't wait for your grandpa voice as well. Okay, who's next? The grandpa. Eddie, grandpa. And here we got a nice grandpa with some gray. Kind of looks like George Clooney here. Ooh, nice, some gray going in his hair and stuff. Okay, so we're grandpa and a grandpa voice. Grandpa squirrel. Okay. Grandpa squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Grandpa squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Hold a nut between your toes, wrinkle up your little nose. Grandpa squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Yay! Swish, swish, swish. We're swishing you away. Bye. Enjoy.